Hey, we're here at the Oracle Lighting booth checking out Trigger. If you're not familiar with Trigger, this is our wireless control system, and it is super simple to install. People don't believe how simple it is, so we've got it up here to show you just how easy it is. 3 steps. 1, connect the trigger to your battery. Positive and negative, can't be easier. Step 2, connect your lights or any 12-volt device to Trigger. We include all the wiring to do that too, by the way. And then step 3, grab control and enjoy your lights, because there's no other steps. You're not running any wires through the firewall. You're not installing anything else. This entire system is totally wireless, which means you can grab it off the dock and use it outside the vehicle as well, which you can't do with any other product on the market. The other great thing about Trigger is our app. This app is super cool. You can program the switches to be momentary or latching. You can name the switch to whatever device it's connected to. You can actually monitor your battery voltage through the app and set push notifications when it gets below a certain voltage. You can go in and actually strobe and dim the lights in the app as well, which is great if you're camping and you just want to have your light bar on 10% for some ambient lighting. That's perfect for that. That's available through the Trigger app. You can also control the color backlight on your Trigger control through the app as well. Again, it works awesome with lighting, especially Oracle lighting, but you can connect this to any 12-volt device. That includes fans, refrigerators, lockers, or anything else that you want to use on your off-road rig. So, for more information about Trigger or other great products from Oracle Lighting, be sure to check out oraclelights.com.